Hello everyone, I am Elijah Christopher Rivera and welcome to my educational video for oral communication. Today I'll be discussing three important topics we've learned this semester. The elements in the process of communication, verbal and non-verbal communication, and speech act. These are the foundations of how people connect, understand, and respond to one another. Let's get started! Alright, okay, I'm sorry, I'm taking that too exaggerated, but okay. Part 1. The elements in the process of communication. Communication is more than just talking. It's a process that involves several key elements working together. There are 8 elements in the process of communication. So we have 8. So we have sender, message, encoding, channel, receiver, decoding, feedback, and noise. The sender is the one who sends the message clearly, the information what the sender wants to share. Encoding, turning thoughts into words like gesture or symbols. Channel, the medium used to send the message like face-to-face talk, a phone call, or a text message, that stuff. Receiver, the person who receives the message. Now, decoding, how the receiver interprets and understands the message. Feedback is the reviewer's response, showing if the message was understood. Noise, anything that interferes with communication, such as distractions, background sounds, or misunderstandings. So let me give you a brief example. If a teacher explains a lesson and a student nods or asks a question, that's feedback. But if the room is noisy and the student cannot hear, that's noise in communication. Part 2. Verbal and non-verbal communication. Communication can happen in 2 main ways, verbal and non-verbal. Verbal communication uses words either spoken or written. It can be formal like delivering a speech or informal like talking to a friend. Non-verbal communication doesn't use words but relies on signs, gestures, and signals. So here are some types. Chronomics, use of time like punctuality. Vocalics, tone and volume of the voice. Haptics, touch to show emotions like hug or handshake. Kinesics, body language and facial expressions. Prometics, distance between people, artifacts, appearance, and clothing that represents identity. Now let me give you an example. When you say, I'm fine, but your tone sounds sad, that's how verbal and non-verbal communication can send mixed message. Part 3. Speech act. A speech act means doing something by saying something. It's when our words serve a function, like requesting, apologizing, or promising. There are 3 types of speech acts. Functionary act, the act of saying something. For example, you're saying, ouch, because of pain. Electionary act, saying something with a specific purpose or intention, ouch, to ask for help. Proluctionary act, the effect of what was said on the listener. For example, after you say, ouch, someone helps you right away. Speech acts how our words can make things happen. They can inform, request, or influence others. So, to wrap it all out, communication is powerful because it allows to share ideas, emotion, and actions, understanding the elements of communication using both verbal and non-verbal cues, and recognizing speech acts help us become better communicators. Now, thank you for watching. I see you more in the next video.